This will be your husband's favorite lunch. A complete and economical lunch. I'm going to start this recipe using 3 already peeled potatoes, and I'm going to cut them into rounds, that way. Then, in a pan with hot oil, I'm going to add the potatoes that we cut to fry. I will add a little salt. As the potatoes begin to brown, I will remove them from the pan and set aside to use soon. Now in another pan, I will add olive oil, used to taste. With the olive oil hot, I'm going to add a chopped onion. I'm going to stir it so that it fries well. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of fried garlic, half a green bell pepper, chopped, half a yellow bell pepper, chopped. Finally, half a red bell pepper, also chopped. I will mix everything very well. Once that's done, I'll add 500 grams of ground beef, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of dried parsley. I will mix it all together very well. Perfect recipe to make when you don't have much time to cook. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato extract. Again, I'm going to mix everything very well. Do it and try it, the flavor will surprise you. Now I'm going to add 100 milliliters of water. I'm going to mix it well, incorporating it into the other ingredients while it cooks. After you make it, you'll want to make it again and again, because it's simple to make and the taste is incredibly delicious. Once that's done, let's move on to the next step of our recipe. In another pan, I'm going to assemble our recipe, where I'm going to position part of the potatoes that we reserved previously, positioning them this way. Next, I'm going to add some of the mixture we prepared earlier, creating a thin layer. On top, I'm going to add mozzarella cheese, use as much as you like. I will repeat the process, creating 2 more layers of our recipe, adding in the same order as we did so far. Meanwhile, let me know from which city you are watching us so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Linda Harris, from Villa Rica. I am happy that you are enjoying our recipes. I'll cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. After this time, our amazing recipe is ready. Anyway, I'm off to cut a slice to taste this wonderful recipe. You must try it. My family loves it. I make it every week. Once you make it, I guarantee it will become a routine in your house. I hope you enjoyed our recipe. Thank you very much for following us so far. See you in the next video. Bye.